you have a warrant for your immediate arrest? Arrest? That's right.
So that depending on what one of the medicines or not, so you need to get from the car to your stomach. But I'm not sure.
Is there other medication that you must take?
Sure. Do you want to?
Documents telling that's the reason why